Hey, 3 different people are calling you already?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm actually the vice president here at West Capital Lending. I'm partnered with Rocket Mortgage. I was actually making sure that somebody called you to take care of you. Did you just fill it out right now?
Yes, sir. I screamed at the last person because I thought it was a recording, but I think it was a real person. Unfortunately, I screamed at them.
Oh no, that must have been one of my guys here.
They called me 4 times in a row, and I kept hitting the end button, and then finally they left me a voicemail. I'm like, they're gonna stop calling me now. And then boom, I get another call. I'm like, please stop calling me.
We're just trying to help you out. What were you looking to get accomplished so I could help you?
Looking at maybe refinancing my home for lower.
Look at that pivot. She cussed out the last
But I
people.
wasn't expecting so many phone calls. I was just expecting to do my own research.
Honestly, it's a little crazy right now. Sometimes when you fill it out, they send it like to 2 or 3 top lenders. Good thing is I've been in the industry for a decade, so I'm partnered with Rocket Mortgage and every lender across the country to find you and your family the best deal. I could tell you right now is a very important time to be looking into this. Rates are still pretty good. Equity positions are still pretty high. What interest rate do you have now?
I think it's actually pretty low, to be honest.
Come on, guys. Speed. Called as soon as it came in. She answered. Boom. Beautiful. It's a good rate. What's the balance of the mortgage right now?
Sorry, I had to go back.
It's okay. Take your time.
$119,972.29.
Okay, and what do you think the value of the home is today?
I don't know.
And like, what were your original goals when you were filling this out? Were you looking for cash out, debt consolidation? What are you trying to accomplish exactly?
I was just curious to know, like, what if I could get like a lower rate or like maybe a lower mortgage payment.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ways that we could do that for you, you know. And like I said, I've been doing this for a decade, so I'll look into your situation and see if there's any way we could, you know, create some monthly liquid savings. Is that what you're looking for? Just some flexibility, monthly savings?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your marital status?
Single.
Single and free, I like to say.
Yes, exactly.
Are you enjoying it?
Agreed. You know it.
All right, there we go. And then what do you do for a living?
I'm CSR, customer service rep.
Well, we're always looking for good customer service reps here, so if they're ever not taking care of you, give me a call and we'll get you a job with us.
Nice, thank you.
You got it. How much do you make there a year?
I don't know, 70,000.
And how long you been there?
This is my 20th year.
Oh, wow. They must be taking care of you. You're a loyal person. 20 years?
I just have to put in the system for you.
Yes, thank you.
Well, that's good. You should be the vice president by now.
I should, shouldn't I?
Yes, you should. How much do we have in savings liquid?
In savings, probably about 2,500, between 2,500 and 3,000.
Okay. So we definitely don't want to touch your assets, especially right now in this time and age. So we want to secure a good fund for you just to keep on the side in case you need it, so you don't got to, you know, pluck into those assets. If I was able to save you some money every month and get you some cash, what would you do with the savings?
I would probably use it for a trip.
Oh yeah, I got a vacation home in Florida if you want to rent it out. It's right by the beach.
Deal. I'm on it. Let's do it.
Real talk, it has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths and showers, a big Olympic-sized pool in the backyard, a hot tub, and you're right across the street from the beach. So if you really want to do it, I'll take care of you. Let me know.
Shut up.
I swear. Yeah. I'll send you the address right now so you can look it up.
Okay, sure.
Well, let's see how we could get you there. What's your date of birth? And your social?
5'9".
Let me put you on a brief hold. I'm going to do a soft pull on your credit so it doesn't affect it. Let me just see what we're looking at and let me figure out ways that we could get you some cash savings, okay? That's how the phone call should go. It'd just be like a friendship. Hey, you still there? All right, beautiful. I got your credit pulled up. You're doing a great job. 758 came on your soft pull, so that's awesome. Keep up the good work. And luckily for you, I do see a great opportunity to save you some money here. One thing that I'm doing for a lot of people right now that's helping them is I'm combining all those debts into the mortgage as one payment, and it's actually saving them a lot of money. So you're paying about $1,000 on those other debts right now. If we could get rid of them all for you, that'll probably create some big savings on a month-to-month basis. Have you ever thought about that?
No.
Yeah, let me show you exactly what that looks like. So we'll do pretty much a clean sweep for you so it's all paid off. Now, after I pay all that off, do you want extra cash in your hand at closing, or you want to just pay those off and you're happy?
I just want to pay them off.
Let me have you write down the documents I'm going to need from you. Bro, we're getting documents. Last 2 pay stubs, last 2 W-2s.
Okay.
And then we're going to need your homeowner's insurance policy declaration page. Do you know how much you pay for homeowner's insurance a year?
It was like 750 last year, and now it's like 900 and something.
That's not bad. 900 a year? 2,800 a year your taxes say online.
Perfect.
So $233 in taxes a month is what you're paying. And you pay that inside your payment, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'll keep it that way for you so everything's wrapped into one.
Well, so then I wouldn't have any of those debts anymore? Like no car payment, no window, that was Wells Fargo, no Wells Fargo, no personal loan, unsecured loan?
Nothing at all. Everything would be at 0. Yeah.
Shut up. Oh my God, no credit card.
Nope, I mean, unless you want to use it again, but the goal is that we're going to save you enough money where you could just have one card and pay it off monthly, you know what I mean?
Right. Yeah. Oh my God.
So hold on, let me see what this is gonna look like for you.
You have a pen and paper with you?
I do.
All right, draw me a T-chart with 2 columns on it, please. So the main goals are we want to just create some flexibility, get rid of your debts, and give you some breathing room month in, month out.
Yes.
So on the left side, let's write down a payment of $2,108 and circle that on the left side. That's what you're currently spending on your mortgage, your car, and your 4 other debts. Okay, so that's all of your debts. You're spending $2,108 right now.
Okay.
On the right side, I pay all that off for you, so all of that's gone, okay? And I give you, let's just say $5,000 cash at closing. Okay, so $5,000 cash to you at closing and all those debts are gone. Guess what your new payment would be? One payment, everything's gone with your taxes and insurance included. Guess what that's gonna be?
$1,200 a month.
Oh my God, so close. $1,319. $1,319 compared to the $2,108 you're paying now is gonna actually save you $789 a month. $789 a month multiplied by 12 months, that's about $10,000 a year saved by getting rid of all this.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The car's free and clear, the debts are gone. And look, the interest rate I gave you, it's a little bit higher than what you have, but it's okay. We're looking at your effective rate with everything combined together. So this is a 6.5% on a conventional 30-year, but as soon as the rates drop, we'll call you and drop that down for you. Maybe even take you down to a 20-year or 15-year, because rates go up and down, you know, as the market shifts.
Okay.
But overall, your effective rate is lower compared to what you're paying on all these debts, and the liquid savings are there, which is the most important part of this.
I feel better.
No, for sure, it's good. I mean, just think about what you could do with an extra, you know, $700-800 a month in liquid savings. Now, like that $2,000 you have in your bank, that's going to be an extra $10,000 a year that you could save and invest elsewhere, you know?
Right.
Not do all the vacations. You don't need that many vacations, but a little bit of vacation and a little bit of smart saving, maybe.
Yeah, I need to work on the smart saving thing.
Yeah.
That's definitely what I need to work on.
Yeah. Okay, good. All right, let me get this locked in for you. Then I'm going to have my assistant, Mark, walk you through the e-signs online. You're familiar with Rocket Mortgage, right?
Actually, no, I'm not.
Oh, you're not? They're the #1 lender in the country. You've probably seen their commercials before. So we're going to be doing it through them. They'll close it in a couple of weeks, very fast and easy.
Okay.
And then you already made your payment for April?
I did.
Okay, perfect.
Sweet deal. Oh my God, this is crazy. I'm so excited that I actually took the time to speak to you. Thank you.
Awesome. I'm so excited you didn't hang up on me.
Yeah, me too. What was your name?
Alex Sharafadine.
I'm so excited I did this.
Yeah. I'm excited for you.
I'm going to save your number in my phone if that's okay. And
Oh, of course. Yeah. So what I do is I pretty much check up on you every 6 months and keep you in the loop with everything going on. Open up your email and tell me when you get an email from Rocket Mortgage. My assistant, his name is Mark. He's a great guy. He's been working with me for a long time. He's going to help you just with walking through your e-signs. Well, I do want to congratulate you. Welcome to the Rocket Mortgage family. You have my number. Store me for anything you need. Even any friends or family that you have, if they need cash out or monthly savings or even purchase, let them reach out to me. I've been doing this for a long time, so I could definitely help.
Thank you so much.
Of course.